Hi, this is a funny story with the letter A and it sounds A. Once there was a big orchard. Orchard is a place where fruit trees were grown. A little girl, Alice, she was staying nearby. There were some apricots and avocado trees too. And see, this is our Alice, our cute Alice. Alice was happy to see apples. One day she tried to pluck one apple with her arm, but she can't. She raised her arm again and again. See, this is her aunt Ambu. And Alice was about to cry. She can't pluck the apple. And now this is Ammu who is going to pluck the apple for Alice. She plucked one and gave it to Alice. Now Alice is very happy. On the way to their home, they saw a man cutting a tree with an axe. When he started cutting the tree, there was some ants on that tree. They fell on him and started biting. In great pain, he started running and accidentally he fell into a river. And do you know who was there in that river? An alligator. It tried to attack him. He cried for help. Help me, please help me. One man helped him and saved him and took him to a hospital in an ambulance. Now he is fine. Thank you.